welcome to JP's Garage. Today we're going to be unboxing the Shark helmet Racer R Pro GP, all carbon. I got it from Motocart. It's a company based in Spain. They were really helpful, very nice. I will definitely buy again from them. Got this. You gotta have stickers. All right, let's see what we have going on here. A dark visor. Feels good, feels light. We have a strap so we can put in here. We don't have to only carry it that way. But all right. Ooh, man, this is gorgeous. Look at that. This is nice. We're gonna replace the visor. I'm gonna put the tint one. This is pretty easy for what I've seen. So you just unlock this, push this out, done. Push it in. Oh man. Done. Same thing over here. Lock it. That's it. It looks so much better this way. Now, let's take this out. Don't need that. Sweet. Now we're gonna go for a test ride. Feels pretty good. Impressions of the helmet after the test ride. It feels good. This helmet is not made for the street, you know, it's made for the track. But even on the street, it felt good, you know, a lot less wind noise than all of those. I also like whenever you're going in a higher speed, I didn't go too fast. Of course, I was on the street. And it felt good, you know, it felt like it was cutting the wind. I never felt like, you know, I'm fighting the wind with my head. So the aerodynamics of the helmet really helped. I'm gonna do a review on the track of this helmet, and then after a couple months, how does it wear out and how does it feel?